Hello audience, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Spy and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover a hacked Facebook account without Gmail phone number. So without wasting time, let's get started after the intro. Now before starting the video, if you guys want to watch epic PUBG Mobile gameplays, then you can subscribe the channel. I will give the link of the channel in description. In the channel there are PUBG gameplays and other videos related to PUBG Mobile. Now if you guys do not have a phone number or Gmail, then you can simply log in with an other account or tell your friend to log in and search your ID. Now that's the ID you need to recover. Then you have to just copy this link from here, and then you have to open your Chrome browser and search for Facebook account was hacked. Then the first option and the website you get here, you have to tap on it, and then you will be redirected to this website. Then click on visit this page, and when you get here, click on my account was compromised, and then here you can see to get back into your account you need to enter an old password. Now paste the link you copied from the Facebook, just paste it here, and then remove all other characters from the last link, and then enter an old password here that you remember. Now after you enter your old password here, just tap on login and it will redirect you to your Facebook account page. Now enter something here or your old password. If you do not remember an old password, then tell me in the comments. I will make another video of recovering your account without an old password. So just tap on login and then it will redirect you to your account. Now as you guys can see, we are logged into our account and we can have access to all the options here. Now you do nothing, just go to your Facebook app, and then you have to enter the link and then enter your old password over here again. And now as you guys can see, we are logged into our account on Facebook app, and now what you have to do is go on menu and then go on settings and privacy and tap on settings, and here you will see option of privacy and security, password and security. And then when you go on it, and here you will see an option of change password. Just tap on it and enter your old password as a current password and then change the password. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you really enjoyed watching this video, then you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. And if you want to watch epic PUBG gameplays, then you can also subscribe to the channel. The link is in description. So that's it for today, and see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.